to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets out here. And talking about today's video, we are going to talk about HP ZBook out here and ZBooks 14 we are going to talk about. Yes, ZBook की बात करें, HP versions की बात करें, if we talk about HP ZBook 14 out here, then we can say that it is Intel V Pro technology variant out here, having a great specification, great range of connectivities, as well as internal functions out there. Apart from that, you also get to see that this variant is specifically designed for the corporate world. Yes, this mostly HP has designed its variant for the corporate world out there. You'll get to see that the corporate world gadgets have been mostly designed by the HP series. Now, talking about this variant out there, it also uses IPM, or we can say TPM 1.2 security chip system, offering you a good security out here. Everything is very amazing in this variant out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it uses CPU, that is the Intel Core i7. Intel Core i7 fourth generation, up to fourth generation it can be used. So HP ZBook 14 uses Intel Core i7, which is definitely an upgraded version out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a clock speed of 2.1 gigahertz, whereas you get to see a max turbo speed of 3.3 gigahertz. So you can see both the variants out there. 3.3 gigahertz is the max turbo speed, whereas 2.1 is the clock speed, which is definitely not very low, but a good variant we can say. Offering you dual core processor out there, it has got a mobile Intel QM87 chip system express out there. Because chip system does not, the processor does not alone makes a gadget, they work collaborating and coordinating with each other. Mobile Intel QM87 is being used out with Intel Turbo Boost technology too. You get to have Intel Turbo Boost technology too, which is definitely an amazing version out there. Along with that, you get to see that the cache memory out here, the cache processing out here offers you 4 MB storage with it's definitely a good variant. The cache memory की storage की बात करें, if you talk about the cache memory storage, then it is offering you 4 MB internal cache memory storage, so that's definitely a great version. Whereas you get to see that the RAM is also good, which is 8 GB installed RAM. 8 GB installed RAM means that it is definitely a great variant out here. Along with that, you get to see that it is offering you 1600 megahertz rated memory speed. So rated memory speed की बात करें तो 1600 megahertz rated memory speed is there, which is definitely a good variant. Along with that, you get to see that the RAM type involved in this is DDR3L RAM type. You get to see DDR3L RAM type, which is definitely a good variation out there. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you expandable or maximum support size of 8 GB, because there are two variants, maximum support sizes of 8 GB, and the configuration out here is 4+4. Two slots are there which uses 4 GB each. So this is the variation or the configuration involved out here. Whereas the maximum support size could be set as 16 GB, because 8 GB is already there in the two slot edition. So more two slots are there. So total 16 GB is the maximum support size offered out in this variation. Talking about this variant, then we cannot neglect out the fact that the expandable or the maximum support size memory also need to follow DDR3L type variation and has to have 1600 megahertz speed. Working in the harsh conditions, working in environmental factors, it gives us that the gadget need to process very well. And it works very well, giving us about 10 to 90% of non-condensing output out there. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant's screen size, talking about the screen versions out there, then it offers you a screen size of 35.6 centimeters. 35.6 centimeters is definitely a good variant out here, offering you a good variation. Whereas it offers you LED type display with backlight and a full HD version out there. Yes, you get to have a full HD resolution with LED backlight. But when we talk about the technologies, then it uses IPS technology. So IPS LED backlight full HD display. Along with this, you get to have ultra wide viewing angle and anti-glance panel self refresh out there. These are the monitor features out there. These are the monitor inbuilt features which help us to know about the gadget's internal functionality. So wide angle view, ultra wide angle view is there. Self refreshing purpose is there. Self refresh, it could be done. Anti glance is there. So these are definitely an amazing version. Offering you a screen size of 35.6 centimeters, we can say that it's a definitely corporate world use version out there. Apart from that, talking about the graphical part, because graphic plays an important role, it uses Fire Pro M4100 by AMD out there. So this is really amazing to see that this kind of variation can be used out. Along with that, video system ki baat kare, if we talk about the video, because this graphical part controls mostly the multimedia, photos, everything. But a specified video system feature has been inbuilt in it, that is AMD Dynamic Switchable Graphics. So that the video is also very interesting and very high quality video could be shoot out. So switchable graphics is there by AMD, which is the dynamic switchable graphics. Apart from that, you get to have an integrated webcam with a capturing resolution of 1280 into 720, along with stereotype speakers and stereotype microphones. But these kind of specifications does not mean that the graphical part is all alone. The storage has to be good. The internal storage or the hard drive storage has to be good. Talking about the hard drive storage, then we can say that it offers you HDD type storage. Yes, HDD type storage. So it has to have a spindle speed, and it offers you 7200 RPM spindle speed. Spindle speed is offered out for the output and the good processing out there, whereas it has a capacity of 500 GB. Yes, 500 GB is the internal storage capacity in the hard drive. Offering you a keyboard, point sticks out there, touchpad. It offers you spill resistance touchpad for gesture controls and volume buttons out there. Bluetooth class 2 wireless control, integrated webcams out there, wireless integrated controls. No optical drive. Optical drives are not usually seen nowadays. Yes, you will not find any optical drive out there. Apart from that, USB readers, USB card holders, uh, SD card readers, multi-card readers, audio input output jack, power connectors, these kind of connections would also be seen in this variant. Along with that, you get to see 3-cell lithium polymer 24-volt battery life. So this can be said that it offers you a good range of, we can say, productions. We can say that it offers you a good range of, we can say, battery life. Yes, the battery life out here offers you a good range of productions, everything out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that this offers you a great range of pricing. And talking about the pricing, let us visit our site. Talking about the pricing, then we can say that just at click.com offers you a great range of specifications, great range of pricing for your gadgets. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant or this site offers you customizability option. Customizability for your gadgets could be done out here. Now let us talk about the gadget we were talking about, that is HP ZBook 14 out here. So this is HP ZBook 14 out here. i7 is being used out. Along with that, you get to see a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom. Along with that, you also get to see that there is a condition written out here, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition, and let us talk about what kind of refurbished products are there and what is refurbished product all about. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products are nothing else but gadgets which are absolutely newly like. We can say they are brand new like, or when we say the term refurbished, then we can say that, or we can define it as creating something newly like. Yes, we can say that, creating something newly like. Now when we say refurbished and brand new, what does this refurbished and brand new all means about? Refurbished and brand new, they are nothing different. The only difference lies out in the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? Once a gadget is pre-owned, then it reduces its market value. So that is what pre-ownization means. Otherwise, it is absolutely same. It is actually same in the structure, same in design, functionality, testing, output, everything is same. Now reducing the market price does not mean that it does not have the value. It has the same value in it, but the pricing might differ. Yes, the pricing might differ out there. Now, talking about refurbished and brand new products, let us talk about the pathway. How is it pruned? Talking about the pathways, we can say that there is a base. Yes, we have a base, we have a mediator, we have a consumer. Then the brand new happens to be in the format like there's a company which launches a gadget. That is brand new gadget out there in the market. Then comes the marketplace. Then comes the user. Yes, now the company is there. This is the base. It is going to launch its gadget. That is the brand new gadget. Is now having a marketplace, a place where the gadget is displayed for the users to buy. Now it is ready to be sold off. Now it is sold to the users. Now this gadget is owned by the user. This is the power, or this is called owning of a gadget. In refurbished condition, what happens? The user is becoming the base. Yes, the user becomes the base, and now is having the pre-owned gadget. That is the pre-ownization, we can say, pre-owned gadget, and wants to resell that. What happens? It is brought in the marketplace. It is sold out to the marketplace out here, to various sites out there. It is sold off. Now, after selling off, it is again resold to the new users under the category of refurbished or certified refurbished. So these are the two categories out there. Talking about the categories out there, how it is defined? It is defined on the basis of testers. Company, before launching it into the market, tests it on various sites. There are various sites for testing a gadget. But when a gadget is pre-owned, then that particular site which is reselling it has to verify it, then it has to be resold. Now, what does this all testing is all about? Talking about the testing parameters, they are absolutely same, just like the we can say brand new. They are absolutely same. You will find that brand new and refurbished gadgets have the same parameters. Now, these parameters include nothing else but the external and internal factors. What are these internal and external factors? These are nothing else. External factors are like uh, the display, the design, the heaviness, that is the weight, the buttons intactness, jacks out there, ports out there, connectivity, display types, scratches, functionality of each button, each function, the command centers out there, like if we know the shortcuts, whether they are working properly or not. So everything which has to be checked out, we can say in a way which is like they are working properly or not as the company has stated them. This has to be the external parameters. These parameters do not require any kind of robots, any kind of softwares. These are not required for that. They are tested by through eyes or simple gadgets, whichever they are. Now, when we talk about these external parameters, they have cross external. Now, what happens to the internal parameters? Now, they are coming to the internal factors, which are the processing, chip systems, speed, RAM, spindle speed, hard drive storage type, graphical processing, web camera out here, audio quality, video quality, resolution, everything. So what happens is these has to be tested with the specified gadgets or equipment, or we can say specified softwares out there. Now, once it is checked out, the connectivity, everything has to be checked. Once it is checked out, they are certified as certified refurbished products or refurbished. Both are safe. But what will happen if it fails in any of the parameters? What happens to it? If it fails in any of the parameters, or if it can be replaced, if the gadget, the screen is not working properly, then it has to be replaced. Buttons are not working properly, then it has to be replaced. Everything which can be replaced or renewed can be done within this period. Once the gadget is absolutely newly like, then you get to have a good quality product, good services given by this. So it is absolutely good for the market to reuse. Now it is brought on the working site and is done out there so that it can be easily sold off. Now it is sold off to the new users under the category of refurbished. But while we are talking about refurbished products, we can say there are few benefits. Number one, pocket friendly rates. It offers you pocket friendly rates. Yes, refurbished products offers you pocket friendly rates. As we know, brand new products usually have slightly high range, or we can say they are slightly expensive, whereas refurbished products, they are quite pocket friendly rating out there. As well as you get to see that it offers you a great savings. Now how it saves, because there is a difference in the pricing, you get to save a good amount of savings. Yes, there's a difference in savings, there is a difference in pricing, there's difference, so you get to save a good amount. Now we know that brand new products offers you 1 year warranty, whereas refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets, does this offers you any kind of warranty period? Yes, it offers you 6 months warranty period. Refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty period. Along with that, you get to have 7 days exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy, pocket friendly rate, savings. So what else do we need? Because refurbished products offers you the same product, the same gadget with all the specifications under your favorite pocketable rates. Now let us visit out the website once again so that we know about the gadgets once again. Talking about the gadgets, we are at justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com. This site offers you great range of products, great range of gadgets from reputed brands under your pocketable rates. They are under your pocket friendly rates. So what else do we need? Apart from that, it offers you customizability option. You can customize your gadget accordingly. Now, how we can customize? If the company is offering you a variation in the RAM type, US storage type, processing, graphical, whatever the company is offering you, we can have that customization option here also. Whereas you, for more details, you can definitely check out the website. Apart from that, it offers you COD. Since it's an online shopping site, it is a hassle-free shopping out there. COD is there. You also get to see that it offers you a good range of things like free shipping, that is free home delivery. Now, if you talk about the delivery timing, then it might take according to your customization option, obviously. But apart from that, it takes approximately 48 hours in UAE, mostly parts, whereas Saudi, it might take up to a week. Money back guarantee, that is the 7 exchange policy out here with online support system. You get to have your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rate. So visit out the website for best pricing. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Description has the link so you can visit out the website link. And you can go on Google and type justatclick.com.